All right, so I'm finally in Djibouti. It's been 3 years since I've been here. I can't believe it. Let's start. This is my hotel room, and here's the key card, or it's actually a physical key, and then there's a part in here that pushes a button to turn the electricity on to the room. I'm gonna wait till the end to pull it this time because everything shuts off, including the AC. It takes a few minutes to turn back on. And here we got a fan. There's these really cool light switches. I'm not sure if it's French or Djiboutian, but pretty much everywhere in Djibouti has these. There's an electricity meter in every room. I remember from being here last time, I ran the numbers. I think it costs 3 times more per kilowatt hour here than in America. So if you're in Africa paying 3 times more for electricity, you watch every single kilowatt hour. Moving to the bathroom, first thing I want to point out is that all of this floor is connected to that drain, so that means water can go anywhere and it's not a problem. Like, it can spray all over this room, so that's why there's not a shower curtain. So moving on, oh yeah, here's the water for the toilet. You have to turn that on every time. Or every time you come in the room. I mean, I'm sure I could leave it on all day, but I like to close it. Here's the shower. So there's one temperature, and it's pretty much, let's turn it on. And whatever temperature the tank on the roof is what comes out of there. So in the summer, it's pretty warm water, like lukewarm. It's not hot, but that's fine. The water is so warm because it's super hot here right now. When I landed at midnight last night, it was 38 Celsius. And yeah, we'll see what it gets up to today. I'm guessing 45. But we'll see later. Moving on. I'd like to point out that there's a fluorescent, like a standard fluorescent light bulb. I think that's for 2 reasons. It saves electricity. I think this is 32 watts. So instead of a few 60 watt incandescents, there's just a long fluorescent, and since these were all outfitted for regular fluorescents, there's no need for mini fluorescents really. And also it saves electricity and gives out a lot less heat, so which is really helpful when it's like 45 degrees Celsius outside. I think that was about it. There's a fridge in the room, but when I pull that card over there, everything shuts off, including the fridge, but it got nice and cold last night, so I'm not super worried about it. And there are limited options to plug things in, and everything was unplugged when I came in. And to like remove the need for, to remove the risk of like phantom loads, yeah, they have that switch, and then you can turn on these different outlets, and even the ones down here, you can turn off and on. There's a little switch down there, but I'll get to that in another video. And I promise I'm going to show you guys something besides hotel rooms later. I'm going to the school today, where I'll be teaching a little bit, probably a restaurant, a store or two, and I want to show you guys some stuff along the way. Oh, and I forgot. So yeah, everything turns off right away.